Ever wondered how much YouTube pays a faceless creator? Well, here's exactly how much I earned in just a month, and a little over a week, without ever showing my face. I run a faceless YouTube channel where I post smartphone comparisons. No talking head, no fancy camera, just simple, valuable content that helps people make informed decisions. Before we dive into the earnings, let's talk about what affects how much you can make on YouTube. First, your niche plays a huge role. For example, finance is one of the highest paying niches. Other niches like tech, which I'm in, education, entertainment, comedy, and vlogging generally earn less. Other key factors include watch time. The longer people watch, the better. Viewer location. Views from countries like the US, UK, and Canada typically pay more. Engagement. Likes, comments, and shares can boost your earnings. You'll also hear terms like RPM, revenue per mille, and CPM, cost per mille, which reflect how much advertisers pay per thousand views. These directly affect your final earnings. Now, let's head into my YouTube studio. We're inside the dashboard of my channel. I'll go to the Analytics tab and set a custom date range. From the day I got monetized, March 20th, 2025, up to May 4th, 2025. Here are the numbers: 59.9K views, 1,000 plus watch hours, 159 new subscribers, and total revenue for that period, $27.01. Not bad at all for a new faceless tech channel. Below, you'll see my top earning videos with the Canon 30 versus Canon 40 video leading the pack. Next up, the Content tab. You can view impressions, click-through rate CTR, average view duration, and more, all right here on the dashboard. Now let's check out the Audience tab. You'll see data like returning viewers, top countries, and audience demographics. Speaking of geography, let's see where my views are coming from. India is at the top. Huge shout out to my viewers there. Followed by the United States, Nigeria, my beloved country, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Turkey, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Kenya, Sri Lanka, UK, Netherlands, Azerbaijan, Brazil, Philippines, Indonesia, Iraq, Russia, and more. Thank you all for your support, wherever you're watching from. Now in the audience section, let's take a look at where our viewers are watching from. We've got 1.6K returning viewers and an impressive 44.6K unique viewers during this period. We've also gained over 150 new subscribers. Welcome to the channel and thank you for the support. Let's take another look at the channel overview. Now let's explore the Revenue tab. From March 20th to May 4th, I earned $27.01. Most days earned just a few cents, like 40 cents or 50 cents. My highest earning day was April 16th, where I made $1.25. My RPM is 59 cents, which means I earn 59 cents per 1,000 views. Not high, but typical for this niche. My top video earned $2.45 from 6,070 views. Batch your content when possible so you're not stressed every week. Study what's working in your niche. Look at trending videos, titles, and formats, and model your own content around that. Most importantly, don't worry about going viral overnight. Small growth compounds. Just stay consistent, improve with every upload, and the results will come. Here's a quick monthly breakdown. March from the 20th, $8.19. April, $16.15. May, so far, $2.66. Let's check out my merch store. Yes, I've got a store, though no purchases yet. You'll find t-shirts, hoodies, pullovers, and more. If you'd like to support the channel, feel free to check it out and grab something you like. Let's take another look at the channel overview. We've had over 10,000 views in the last 48 hours, and the subscriber count is climbing steadily. We're currently at 1,205 subscribers. Thank you all. If you haven't already, please subscribe and help us continue to grow. Before I continue, let me give you some tips. If you're just starting out, focus on three things: consistency, value, and clickable thumbnails. You don't need a fancy camera or microphone. What matters most is that your content solves a problem, entertains, or teaches something useful. Pick a niche you can create content for long term, like tech, storytelling, finance, or even memes. Use free tools like CapCut to edit your videos, Canva to design thumbnails, and text-to-speech for voiceovers if you're not ready to talk. Now, for the fun part, checking earnings in different currencies. In US dollars, it's $27.01. Switching to Nigerian Naira, that's around 42,000 Naira. Let's head back into the settings and switch the currency back to USD, the currency used for YouTube payouts. As you can see, that's $27.01. Now let's go ahead and make that currency change. Let's try Canadian dollar. That gives us about $37.97 KD. Now let's go big and switch to Jamaican dollar. And wow, that's over 4,000 Jamaican dollars. At least the numbers look nice, right? Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate every view, every like, every subscriber. It really matters. If you want to see more content like this or more income breakdowns, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel.